Okay guys, this is my lettuce. My lettuce is almost ready. Well, not almost. I think my lettuce is ready for harvest. Here's all the lettuce, guys. They're looking good. And if you guys can see right, it's a piece of this break off. Here you go. What is? Yes. Oh, my lettuce is good. You can start to make salad right now with these juicy bad boys all ready for harvesting. Yep. Told you guys I was gonna show you from the time I'm planting them, the time they are growing, and yeah, this is what they look like. Here they are, guys. Scallion. This is the scallion right here, and this is the top of an onion. So, under the bottom here in the root, we're gonna have onion. Onion gonna be in here under the soil, and the top is this scallion. Yep, big tall tree, a scallion. Over here, I got my bell pepper growing right here. I got some stuff growing up with it too. I don't want it to choke it, so I just cut the roots off and get them out. Yep. And apart from my bell pepper, over here I got cabbage. Look at them cabbage, guys. Look at them cabbage. They look like they start to fold already. Look at this one. Oh man, cabbage like it's folding. Yeah, that's a cabbage, guys. Over here is tomato. Look at all that tomato. Look at all that tomato, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but in here we have tomato growing right here. If you can see it, yep, tomato in there. Yep. See some more over here. Some more tomato right there on the tree. So in another few weeks from now, it's gonna be all red up with tomato growing. Yep. The lettuce is almost ready, guys. Look at them, green and nice. Chlorophyll. This right here, if you can see it, very small. Right here, this is a celery plant. Celery growing right there. Right here, these are carrots. You don't know what the carrots look like. All of this green thing right here. See? All carrots. Carrots growing right here, guys. Yep. Plant my carrots right here. See what this is? This was, yep, that's a carrot right here. Carrots. Yeah. Yeah. Green and pretty. Beautiful kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Look at that beautiful face. Oh my God, she's so gorgeous. Look at she. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Look at your face. Oh my gosh. You're so gorgeous. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, little guy? How's it going? What you looking for? Huh? What you got going on here? Huh? Look at you, look at you. Look at you. What you looking for? Huh? What you looking for? Hey, hey. Jumbo. You see baby ride? French fries. This is my favorite, vanilla cakes. Lemonade, fried dough, and elephant ears.
I'm gonna throw the rock when I see a fun ride. I'm gonna throw the rock when I see a fun ride. Fun ride.
Hey, don't be throwing that stuff around. Yeah. I want to ride the Ferris wheel.
That's what we were supposed to ride. You should got.
Gonna go for fly. Okay, so which one of the ride you want to ride?
What is that?
I don't know which one to ride you want to ride.
I want to ride the fun ride.
Here comes the army helicopter. With a shark mouth. It says Monday hours is 5 p.m. until closing. Monday to Friday. Today's Friday. It says open at 5 p.m. 2 p.m. on Sunday. And you go get your ticket right here. Tickets. Okay, let's see how much is the tickets. $3 per person admission fee. Cash or credit card processing fees $1. No refund, no re-entry. Must pay re-enter. Tickets and waistband for rides are sold only inside the event. Masks are required to enter the event. So they got a helicopter over there. And this is a slide. What type of slide is this? The fun slide. Is it a water slide? Do they have water on it? It looks like a water slide, don't it? Fun slide with water. Yeah, it is a water slide. It's gonna be a water slide. Here's the Carnival. It's the entrance to the gate.
Is today Friday?
And this entrance.
What day? There's a place on closing. People are here.
What is the drop zone? Loaded tops. Yep.